Good morning, dear students. Welcome again, Sanskar Science Academy online classes. So, dear students, especially in biology, first chapter is clear. Now, today our point is chapter number second. So, chapter number second, and what is the name of chapter number second? Sexual reproduction in flowering plant. So chapter name is sexual reproduction in flowering plant. Firstly, what is flower? फ्लावर है क्या? So simply you can say flower is a modified shoot. What is flower? So flower is a modified shoot and act as a sexual part of plant and act as a sexual part of plant. Why it is modified shoot? Simply imagine that it is a stem and a stem bear nodes and internodes. So these are nodes. Especially at the node parts, buds are present. So these are buds. These are buds. And during the flowering, buds modified into flower. How? Number one, this type of buds convert into this structure. It is known as sepal. These buds convert into this structure, which is called petal. These buds convert into this type of structure. It is known as stamen. And these buds convert into carpel. Okay, so finally we got it is carpel or pistil part. Below the carpel, stamens are situated. Below the stamen, it is colored part, which is known as petal, and it is sepal. So especially in flower, this part is sepal, petal, stamen, and completely part carpel or pistil, pistil. Okay ji. So what is flower again? Flower is a modified shoot and act as a sexual part of plant. Now, what is the mechanism of formation of flower? By the shoot. आपके सामने है ये. Next, what is floriculture? सो सिंपली कल्टीवेशन ऑफ फ्लावर, फूलों की खेती, इसी को हम बोलते हैं फ्लोरिकल्चर. तो कल्टीवेशन ऑफ फ्लावर इज कॉल्ड एज फ्लोरिकल्चर. नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, पार्ट्स ऑफ फ्लावर, यानी फ्लावर के कौन कौन से पार्ट होते हैं. सिंपली फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ फ्लावर नोन एज first part of flower is calyx. So what is calyx? Simply calyx is a group of sepal. In other language I can say sepal is a structural and functional unit of calyx. Generally sepals are green. So they helps into photosynthesis. So first function of sepals, photosynthesis. What is second function? Especially in bird stage, outermost layer is sepal. So sepal protect the flower in the bud stage. I repeat, what is calyx? It is a group of sepal and generally sepals are green. So they helps into photosynthesis and protect the flower in the bud stage. Second point, second, corolla. What is corolla? Corolla is a group of petals. Okay, so petals are a structural and functional unit of a corolla. Generally petals are colored and attractive. So if petals are colorful, attractive with nectar glands, so that helps into pollination. So simple first question, what is the main function of sepals? So just your answer is sepals are photosynthetic part of flower and also protect the flower during the bud stage. Number 2 question, which part of flower helps into pollination? So simply petals are colorful and attractive with nectar glands, so they help into pollination and maximum pollinations occur by insects. Third part, androecium. So simply what is androecium? Androecium is a group of stamen. And what is stamen? It is male reproductive part of flower. It is male reproductive part of flower. Simply, in other language, stamen is structural and functional unit of androecium, and stamen act as a male reproductive part of flower. And what is stamen? So simply it is microsporophyll. It is microsporophyll. It means what is microsporophyll? It is a modification of leaves, and leaves which modified into stamen called microsporophyll. Fourth part of flower, gynoecium. What is gynoecium? It is a group of carpel and pistil. So simply carpel is a structural and function of gynoecium, and carpels act as a female reproductive part of flower. Okay, and it is a modification of megasporophyll. Megasporophyll. Stamen is a modification of microsporophyll and carpel is modification of megasporophyll. Next question, What is the time of flowering? Especially in some plant, फ्लावरिंग अकर्स इन ए स्पेशल सीजन, यानी कि स्पेशल सीजन में इनमें क्या होती है, फ्लावरिंग होती है. ओके. इन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, आफ्टर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ वेजिटेटिव ग्रोथ, आफ्टर द completion of vegetative growth, it means after the development of root, stem and leaves, many hormonal changes occurs or found in the plant. Due to hormonal changes after the vegetative growth, flowering is present in plants. So first point is sexual reproduction in flowering plant. What is flower? It is a modified shoot. First question. And act as a sexual part of plant. Next, what is floriculture? Question number 2. Cultivation of flower is known as floriculture. Number 3, part of flower: calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Unit of calyx: sepal. Sepals are green, so photosynthetic part. Question number 3, give the name of photosynthetic part of flower. So your answer is sepal. Next, corolla, group of petals. Petals are colored or colorful and attractive with nectar gland. Question number 4, give the name of part of flower which helps into the pollination. So your answer is petals. Next, question number 5, what is stamen? Stamen is a modification of microsporophyll. So stamen is also called as microsporophyll and act as a male reproductive part of flower. Question number 5, what is pistil? It is a modification of megasporophyll. In other language you can say carpel is megasporophyll and act as a female reproductive part of flower. Next, what is the time of flowering? So after the completion of vegetative growth, it means well developed root, stem and leaves, then after flowering process is present in plant. In next class we discuss about androecium and gynoecium, because androecium and gynoecium are related to sexual reproduction of plant or flower. Now thanks, have a good day.